Hi, this is Paul Adams of AdamsMade. I am just literally, I'm in the workshop here, and I am literally waiting for paint to dry. Just a little stool. That was a very quick job, nicely. It was all just brown, painted in a thick brown sort of paint stain, but really a paint. So I've just quickly sanded it down, and here's another coat on the legs. I'm going to varnish the top. Nice, quick, easy job. And then I'll be doing, I've got this great console table. It's pine, metal legs. You can't really see it here, but I'll perhaps put some pictures in later. I'm going to paint there, but keep the pine top. I'll bring that down. It's a bit dusty, a bit filthy. I've had it for a while, but that's the next project. But literally, while I am waiting for the paint to dry on the stool, I just thought I'd address what I'm doing here, which is sustainability. This old furniture that I'm either upcycling or refurbishing or restoring or repairing. It's everywhere, and we are spending in this country alone. We throw away something over 20 million pieces of furniture goes to landfill every year. So I just want to get that message across. We don't need to, we don't need to have a throwaway disposable world of furniture. We don't need flat packs and chipboard square boxes and call it furniture. There's lovely furniture. And if you don't like old furniture or brown furniture, paint it, or give it away or repurpose it to something else. There's always something you can do, every sort of color. If you don't want to do it, then somebody will do it for you or give it away. Try not to think first stop is, flat pack furniture or whatever. So, or buy even buying new. I mean, that's fine. If you're looking for a particular piece, that's fine, but just have a think first. Can I get a second-hand piece or an upcycled piece or refurbished piece first? That's the thing. It's always a middle road. Is an old thing that will fit beautifully, and if it's not the right color, can somebody paint it for me? Think that way first. If none of that fits and you've got to buy new, then fair enough. But I mean, it's just to change that mentality. And obviously, I'm in furniture here, but it applies to everything that we throw away. Can I reuse it? Or everything you buy, is there some, can I get it secondhand? There's lots of secondhand and thrifts and loads of stores and lots of charity shops and secondhand clothes people. So this is a small, our world is dying at the moment, and we can do our little bit to help. So that's just a quick message. While I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I got the next coat on here now. Just get the sustainable message out. Have a think before you buy new, whatever that is. And anyway, I should have mentioned this first. I'm Paul Adams of AdamsMade, and welcome to the channel. I hope you see some other videos, and if you've not done before, like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.